Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to write in a picture in Photoshop step by step. So let's begin. First, open your image, then choose the type tool, right click on your mouse, style Arial, choose for black or bold text size, choose text color, example use white color, then create a new layer, type first, type manually, use for left align, left middle right, example use left align, then type anything, name, enter, S, so this again change align, double click the text layer, then align middle, left, right, and use box text for copy paste, create a new layer, draw a text box, then copy from anywhere, press Ctrl C for copy and press Ctrl V for paste. Example use the simple text, double click again, go to window tab, use character panel, then show this character panel, fill, line spacing, up and down arrow key, tracking, okay, increase the text size again, increase or decrease to this text size, then choose the text background, press enter, draw a text background, opacity, hold Ctrl align middle, or customize, up and down arrow key, left and right, see this, add a drop shadow, okay, opacity. Hope this tutorial help you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.